Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Ring Stick-Up Cam. With a Ring Protect plan, record all your videos, review what you missed for up to 180 days, and share videos and photos. See, hear and speak to people from your phone, tablet or Select Echo device with Stick-Up Cam battery, a battery-powered camera that can be mounted indoor or out. With Live View, you can check in on your home anytime through the Ring app. Place on a flat surface or mount to a wall with the versatile mounting bracket. Add on the mount for Stick-Up Cam for ceiling mount. Watch over your entire home by connecting one or multiple Stick-Up Cams to all your Ring devices in the Ring app. Easily set up Stick-Up Cam battery by inserting the battery pack and connecting to Wi-Fi. Add security to your home inside or out with the versatile Stick-Up Cam battery, an HD security camera with motion-activated notifications and two-way talk. Its wire-free design means you can place it virtually anywhere and never worry about being close to an outlet. Create privacy zones to focus on important areas, and disable motion recording, alerts and audio for some peace and quiet. Connect to all your Ring devices in the app to control your entire home security from your phone, tablet, or Select Echo device. Our second best smart home devices is August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. August Smart Locks fit on the inside of your door, making your regular deadbolt smarter, more secure and way more convenient. Keep your keys just in case. Forget key copying. Quickly and easily share permanent, scheduled or temporary access to your home with friends, family and other people you trust, and never put a key under the doormat again. Even if you're not so handy, installation only takes about 10 minutes. August locks fit perfectly over most single-cylinder deadbolts and aren't much bigger than your original thumb drive. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is able to auto-unlock as you get home for totally hands-free unlocking. With Auto Lock and Door Sense, your home automatically secures once your door is closed, or after a set amount of time. Built-in Wi-Fi allows your lock to work with your favorite voice assistant, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings and more. For details, let's watch more. Third choice in our list is Amazon Echo. With Smart Home Hub built-in hub to voice control compatible lights, locks, and sensors. Easily set up compatible Zigbee devices or select Ring Smart Lighting solar lights and bulbs. Premium sound rich, detailed sound that automatically adapts to any room. Supports lossless HD audio available on select streaming services such as Amazon Music HD. Voice control your music stream songs from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, SiriusXM, and more. HD requires a compatible music streaming service. Alexa is ready to help set timers, reminders, and alarms. Start your routines with motion turn on compatible lights, play your flash briefing, or turn on the coffee maker when you walk into the room. Fill your home with sound with multi-room music, play synchronized music across Echo devices in different rooms. You can also pair your Echo with compatible Fire TV devices to feel scenes come to life with home theater audio, or extend Wi-Fi coverage with a compatible Eero network so you can say goodbye to drop-offs and buffering. Call friends and family who have the Alexa app or an Echo device. Instantly drop in on other rooms or announce to the whole house that dinner's ready. Number 4 in our side is Amazon Echo Show 8. For control your smart home voice control compatible devices or manage them on the easy-to-use display. Ask Alexa to show you security cameras, control lights, and adjust thermostats. Create morning routines to start your day. Alexa can show you more. With an 8-inch HD screen and stereo sound, Alexa can help manage your day at a glance. Connect with video calling and messaging. Call friends and family who have the Alexa app or an Echo device with a screen. Make announcements to other devices in your home. Be entertained. Ask Alexa to show you movie trailers, TV shows, movies, or the news. Or listen to radio stations, podcasts, and audiobooks. Made to fit your life. Get daily recipes and cook along hands-free with step-by-step instructions. Easily update to-do lists and calendars. Glance at weather and traffic on your way out. Put your memories on display. Use Amazon Photos and Alexa for a picture-perfect pairing. You can turn your home screen into a digital frame, share your favorites with friends and family, and even take photos. Plus, Prime members get unlimited photo storage. Last in our top 5 best smart home devices list is Ekin Doorbell Camera Wireless. Doorbell camera has built-in microphone and speaker. Door camera provides two-way talk and real-time video through noise reduction and rate adaptive technology, and allows you to have clear real-time communication with your visitors via your smartphone at any time, anywhere, and give permission for your visitors or even drive away uninvited guests. Wide-angle advanced glass lens combined with HDR and distortion correction image and offer wider coverage. Doorbell Camera Wireless can respond quickly with the upgraded PerMotion sensor. Once motion detected, your phone will get an alert notification push in time. Just open our smart app to check quickly what is going on or play back the videos of the movement events later. Our wireless doorbell have 3 adjustable sensitivity for motion and human detection to easily distinguish among human, animals or swaying branches easily. You are not bothered by frequent alerts. Advanced night vision with 6 built-in 850 nanometers infrared LED beads extend the viewing distance to 16 feet in pitch dark with no light pollution. Day and night vision are automatically switched according to light changes. Doorbell cameras wireless uses the iWit app, which supports 1 main account and 8 shared users. You can also add multiple cameras in same account. Easy to share life happiness with your family. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.